first morning, we're gonna make some breakfast. All right, where are we heading?
Tennessee.
Pretty sweet. Anyways, just made some dinner. Cooked the chicken a little fast, so I made some chicken bites and then some vegetables. The fit, there's bugs. That's why I'm wearing it. That's about it. Pretty sweet day. All right, guys. Part 2 of night number 2. We made some dinner as I showed you, and now we're making some s'mores, and we're gonna have some chips and salsa, and just kind of kick it. It'll catch. Welcome back. Day 3 recap. Went to National Forest in Kentucky. Pretty cool caves. Top 10 largest in the world, actually, so check that off the bucket list. And then we went to the Corvette Museum. Free tickets. Turns out all you got to do is walk through the gift shop and then pass the do not enter sign. And you don't got to pay. I mean, who knew? And then we headed to Cario, Tennessee. And now we're camping. I got a sweet fire going. Man card in pocket. I've said that too many times today. It's not funny anymore. That's it for the night. We're going to hit Nashville up tomorrow. Go.
Look at the fit. Wearing this thanks to the bugs. Been attacking. You're going to edit that out.
That's what you think.
Now zoom in on the shoes.
Oh, gosh. Oh.
That's all I needed.
That was very informative. So what we have here is a butterfly.
Disguised as a leaf.
All right, we're gonna show a little breakfast routine that we've been doing. So we got potatoes, bacon, and did liquid eggs, so I didn't crack any. But I do the breakfast. Taylor puts away the blankets and her little, I don't know what you call it. All right, Taylor, where are we?
We are in Mammoth Cave, Kentucky.
Okay.
And we have a new friend.
We have a special guest. What's his name?
PETA.
PETA.
PETA, the horse is here.
Looks like he got the hint. I shooed him away a second ago.
So intimidating.
But Taylor did drop something and blamed it on gravity, so.
What's up, guys?
Back at it again. Nashville. Big, beautiful building.
Big, beautiful girl.
All right, after the Parthenon, what's next?
We're at the Greenbrier Distillery. We're going to drink and learn history about whiskey.
Mostly drinking. Whiskey.
I'm curious to see. They left a few crops behind.
All right, guys, We're given lots of updates today because we've done a poor job this week. So we just went to the Nelson Greenbrier Distillery. Super cool. A lot of history. Not a whiskey drinker, but it was fun. What do you think?
Take a little drink.
All right. So you gotta twirl it. All right. I'm getting that green apple.
He hates this.
You
Took it
gotta
like a
exhale.
champ. Took it like a champ.
No, that one was strong. So you see what happens is when you cough, it's because you're getting that CO2 in your lungs and you're not supposed to do that.
It was a menthol.
Menthol. Anyways, more to come. Nashville. Just say when.
It's gone.
All right, guys. Botanical Gardens,
Where?
Atlanta, Georgia. Pretty sweet Alice in Wonderland vibe. 10 out of 10. All right, guys. What you see here is 3 beautiful bees in their natural habitat. Wow.
Downtown Atlanta.
In downtown Atlanta.
Can we put it in 0.5?
No.